Hey guys, it's Sajjaad. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of my apartment. I live in Inspire Atlanta. It's an off-campus apartment that's actually, surprisingly, pretty close to campus. Like literally, it's a 5-minute walk to the library or the cult, really close by. And I thought that this would be a useful video for you guys because, I mean, a lot of you want to see what Georgia Tech or apartments around Georgia Tech are like. And I thought that this would be pretty cool to show you guys. I live in a unit with 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and I'm going to show you guys everything that this apartment has to offer, the perks, the gym, the pool.
I know, exciting stuff.
And right now, let's take a look inside. All right, so this is the main lobby of Inspire. And as you can see over here, we have just a general sit down. Sometimes we have like food related events that Inspire hosts. They put like their food out here. Computers over there for anyone to literally use, a free printer. And this is kind of like the main desk that we have as well. And if we go further down, so this is like a study space, lounge type area where people can study in silence in certain cubicles, as well as just a general area as well. And we also have private study rooms that I'll show you guys. So this apartment is pretty secure in that not anyone or like any outsider can get to any floors in this apartment just like by their own will. We actually have to use a fob, a key fob, to scan in and then go to a level that we want to. This is a great security, safety net that we have, and one of the biggest reasons I really like this apartment. So this is actually one of the private study rooms that we have. And if we enter it, so yeah, this is actually where I like to take virtual interviews. I can sit down here, it's quiet, soundproof. Sometimes when I'm in a meeting or want to show people things, I can connect HDMI to this TV. These rooms are basically first come, first serve. So if you're here early enough, you're probably going to get a spot and you get to enjoy this room for as long as you want. Now, this really cool perk that we have, I didn't even know about this coming into this apartment, but we have relaxing massage chairs. So, you know, after a hard day of work, you want to relax here, this is the place to go. Just come down to Inspire. All right, so now let's take a look inside our apartment. Follow me here. All right, so on this side, we have our kitchen. We obviously have a fridge. We have a lot of cabinets, as you can see. If you come a little closer, we have coffee machine, toasters, instant pots, an electric stove, which is essential because you don't want anything to catch on fire. There's a lot of wood around here. We have a drying rack here, dishes that need to be done. And then we have a Foreman grill and a mixer. But overall, for 5 guys, I have 4 roommates. This is rather spacious. We never have issues of running into each other in the kitchen, and everything is usually clean. And as you can see, we have a nice dishwasher here. If we move over to this side, you can see that we have a washing machine and a dryer. This is a huge upgrade from on-campus housing because you never find on-campus housing washing machine and dryer in-house, in unit. So this was one of the major selling points that why we got this apartment in the first place, because this is just way too convenient. And over here we have extra storage space. We generally keep our shoes here to like avoid it coming in like the door space. So yeah, we keep it there. And if we move over to this side, we have obviously a trash can here. And then this is just our general living room. This is pretty nice. We have a couch here, as well as if you come closer, you can see that we have stools to like sit on. With this table, we can have like dinner here, play games, watch some TV. We play a lot of card games, and sometimes we play the Wii. Mario Kart's my favorite. So this is a solid living space, working sometimes, and just, yeah, chilling. And then over on this side, we have our balcony. And actually at nighttime, they light it up with these beautiful, beautiful colors. So it's actually quite incredible to see. And we have grills down there. We have just a general great view from up here. And also, anytime we want to chill, we can go down there and chill. So it's perfect. All right, so now let's take a look at my room. Now, just a quick thing about my room. Like I mentioned before, there are 5 bedrooms in this apartment. And I actually have the master bedroom with a private bathroom. So just keep that in mind. This is kind of like why my room is a standalone. All the other rooms are like down there, but we'll get to that later. So let's look here. So as you can see, my room, here's my bed. We have dresser drawers down there, a mini storage unit down to the left, as well as outlets. I have like a stand thing that I set up. This is kind of like my nightstand, although it's just like a broken off stand from something else. And then over here is my desk. It's kind of like my workspace whenever I'm working inside the apartment. I have a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and sometimes what I like to do is hook up my Mac like on the stand right here and then kind of just have it working with the monitor over here. Obviously alarm clock, a desk light when it's nighttime. And then if we move down here, I can actually turn on the light here. So as you can see, I have two closets on my right and left, and then a bathroom down here. All right, so now let's take a look at the other rooms in the apartment. So if we go down this hallway, so you'll see 4 rooms on the left and 2 bathrooms on the right, and then a closet all the way down. The way this works is there are 2 people using each bathroom. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, so 2 per each bathroom. Over here, we have one of the bedrooms, one of my roommate's bedrooms. This is about what it looks like. Similar structure as mine with the bed, storage drawers down here, and then a desk over here. And yeah, that's about it. All right, so let's go into the gym. So as you can see, we have a lot of equipment here. We have our dumbbells, barbell, chest press, squat, and then we have this multi-purpose machine to do a whole bunch of exercises. And then we have box jumps, we have kettlebells, we have this boxing punch shirt thing. I don't know what to call it. Also, a unique perk to Inspire is that we have clear access to the Georgia Tech football stadium. So when you live in Inspire, you don't have to purchase a ticket a day in your life. And also, something about this gym is it's open 24/7. So anytime, any day of the week, you get access to this gym, which is pretty incredible. All right, so now let's take a look at the rooftop. So it's really beautiful out here today, and if you go over to the right, we can see that we have a nice sit-down area, pretty chill area, watch some TV, have some bonfire. It's like a fire pit, so you can do whatever you want. So over here we have a nice handy hot tub. The thing about this is it's just kind of like a sit-down area with hot water. Not many people actually use it. I personally have never used it, but it's available. And if we come down this way even more, we have this beautiful pool. I honestly wish I could use it, but due to COVID, I've never even tried. And yeah, it's just available to all the residents. There are beach chairs, so you can chill out here in the sun. And actually pretty cool, we can see a clear-cut straight line drive to Tech Tower. This is pretty high up from everything else, so you can see like the NCR, all the office buildings out there. All right, so if we look over here, we have another kind of chill sit-down spot again. We have couches, chairs, tables, where people usually hang out here, typically on the weekends with their friends. And if we move further down, we have a nice foosball table set up for some quick games, you know. So on this side, we can see we have a women's and men's sauna. This is typically for people after the gym who want to just kind of relax, get their sweat off and all that, get to enjoy the sauna. Moving further down, this is kind of just a cool like party slash hangout spot. I've hung out here many times with my friends. I think this is shuffleboard. I've never played this game. It has sands and 2 pucks. And obviously we have a ping pong table. And actually, here is where we had our kickoff party. I believe the first day, our move-in day, they had like a whole array of food. It was like a buffet. And they were just like welcoming all the residents, and they set it up here. And yeah, we got to meet a lot of the residents who live in this apartment building. So if we go further down, we can see that we have more gaming type stuff. We have a pool table, which I don't know why it doesn't have the balls. I don't know where the balls are, but this is a pool table. Usually there are balls. Someone has the balls, and it's not me. And now we have another foosball table. If we look over here, we have a Pac-Man machine. Usually this is running, you put a quarter in and you can play for however long you want. And yeah, this is a solid place to just have a fun Friday night, Saturday night, literally any night. We're in college. All right, so this is what we call the club room or the clubhouse. And this is another place where people have drinks and like sit, watch some TV. And if we go a little bit over to the sides, we have these kind of like mini booths type thing. This is where people usually study, work on something. This is kind of like the quiet-ish area as opposed to the big clubhouse. All right, so this is the terrace, and I gotta say, this is probably my most favorite part of this whole apartment. It is such a vibe. It is so nice living up here. Literally, there are hammocks where you can relax. Yeah, so you can sit on the hammocks, you can barbecue, grill up something, watch the Sunday night football game. Now, this is actually a better view at nighttime, but the whole Atlanta skyline is visible from the 11th floor of Inspire. Now, I gotta say, that is pretty amazing. At night, it's all like lit up. It's so beautiful, and you just gotta see it. And now, if we go over to this side, we have cornhole. This is another like fun pastime type thing on Sundays. You just go throw the packet into the other thing and beat your friends, you know? That's just what you do. So honestly, at Inspire, you're never gonna be bored. There's always something to do. I've never personally been bored here. And yeah, it's just an amazing building. All right, so for any of you guys who are wondering, my rent for this place is actually $980, which is actually pretty decent considering all the perks that we get. But that was as part of a first-year discount that we got as part of Inspire to incentivize people to sign on. Their usual price, I believe, is $1280. We got like a $300 discount per month. So yeah, just wanted to put that out there for anyone who's wondering. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you got any value out of this, I'd really appreciate if you guys would hit that like button. And just as always, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video.